Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on MX Linux 25.2. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with MX Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.4. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then select Debian, because open terminal, MX Linux is based on Debian. /etc os-release. See, it is based on Debian Linux. Okay. So click on Debian. See, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports current versions of Debian Trixie. Here, see here, it is Trixie. Okay. Now we have to run these commands one by one. So copy these commands one by one. Paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already newest versions. Then execute these two commands to import the repository. Now create this file. We have to create this with sudo or root account. Press I to insert mode. Here, instead of code name, we have to give the distribution name. In our case, it is Trixie, so no need to replace here. Okay. So copy this entire one. Paste it. Escape, colon, double click, exclamation. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. It is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, give 17. So I want to install latest version, so give 18 and hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type a for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and this is a data directory. See here, these are the default values. Max connection 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes. This is the time zone. It is based on my machine local settings. Okay. Now check the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo service PostgreSQL status. See, it is online. Okay. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.4. Qt quit. Now, first step after connecting to PostgreSQL service, we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. You can also get the list of the users by running select user username from pg_user. See, you got the same. Okay. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with we have successfully set the password. Now verify list of databases \shell. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Qt quit. You can also get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. Okay, now create database. So you have created database, and this is the one of the database. Qt quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any table, so create table. See, you have created table customer in public scheme, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. PSQL-U, you must be -h, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u, you must be caps. Then username is David -d means database Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, you have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Now run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission in for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit PSQL control. Now we'll find the config files location, data and log directory location. So config _ file. This file contains PostgreSQL server configuration parameters information. So HBA _ file. See, both are in the same directory. HBA means host based authentication file. It contains authentication nodes. So data _ directory. So log _ last option that I want to show you is how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on MX Linux 25.2. Exit. You can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit sudo service PostgreSQL stop, hit enter. See, it is down. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you are unable to connect. So exit from the current user. Start it again. Sudo service PostgreSQL start. Now verify. See, it is online. If you want to restart, sudo service PostgreSQL restart. It is done. Now verify again. See, it is online. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.4 on MX Linux 25.2. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.